Hey, so I wanted to share an update of something I've been working on. So I've got a 3DOF arm here that I've 3D printed and designed, and it's like a SCARA style. So the point of this is really to test out these servos, these custom servos that I've made. Now, they're just MG995s that I've gutted. I'm using the DC motor and the potentiometer and the gearbox out of it, and the body, But I've got my own servo controller running on my Arduino, and I'm using these DRV 8871s to drive the motors. These are special motor drivers that, I get my full torque out of my motor even if I slow it down. So yeah, with that, I've been able to get a PID loop going here. So you can see here, if I try to rotate my arm, it's going to snap back. Needs some tuning for sure, but it's close. No gripper yet. Getting there. Oh, googly eye. So yeah, but I've also got some software here that I've written in Python that essentially allows me to control the arm. So I can do some cool stuff with it now that I got positional feedback. So I can turn on something that I've called free drive, kind of taking some inspiration from the collaborative robots that I work with. So if I move it here, for instance, I can store that pose. We'll move it back to its starting position. Store that pose. Maybe move it over here, like that. Store that pose, and then get it back to that starting pose. And then store that. So I can end my free drive. It kind of moves back to where it was when I started free drive. And if I hit send, it should move to those positions. So yeah, I plan on uploading a video soon to show, how I converted these servos. I've already got one on my channel that kind of shows just tapping into potentiometer. But like I said, I've taken it one step further. I made my own servo control with these motor drivers. So make a video showing how I did that, and of course share the code and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully you can make something like this too and build upon it and make it better than I did.